Yeah, what's up guys, it is Bonaz we're here to my YouTube account, but now I'm here Tanzania, East Africa, and this is a place we call Pugu Forest Nature. Pugu Forest Nature found in coastal region here in Tanzania, but welcome here in this forest nature because they have different features here. As you can see, they have a big forest here in this place. Let me show you. And they have a lot of sources of water here. But when you came here, you can enjoy a lot of moment. They have a camping here. They have a good tents here. But when you come here, you can enjoy a lot of good thing here in this place. Yeah, I go by the name of Kibona's World. I'm here, Tanzania, East Africa. But welcome here on my YouTube account. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and to subscribe. Yeah, I hope you are doing good and you're doing greater wherever you are. Welcome here on my YouTube account. And now I'm here, Kazimzimbwe Forest Nature here in Pugu, East Africa, Tanzania. Welcome back on my YouTube account. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and to subscribe. Yeah, I'm enjoying to be here because this place is good, it's amazing. As you can see, they have different features here. Yeah, that is amazing here in Tanzania, East Africa. Welcome here, Tanzania, to enjoy a lot of features, a lot of forest natures here in Tanzania because it is amazing. When you want to meditate, but welcome here in this place because this place is good and amazing. Yeah, here on Mochiba County, I go by the name of Kibona's World. Yeah, I'm enjoying to be here. That is a great thing to me because I'm experiencing a new thing here in this place. Yeah, what's up? Welcome back here on Mochiba account. If it's your first time, don't forget to share, like, comment, and to subscribe. Yeah, hello guys. Today is good day because we are here in this Pugu place. Yeah, Pugu Forest Nature here in this place. But coming here with my friend, with my family. Let me show you. Hello, Jackson.
Hello.
How are you, bro?
Yes, how are you?
Yeah.
My name is Jackson Munga. So I'm here with my friend Manuel. Kibona's World. We are here, and now we are on the forest.
Kazimzimbwe Forest Nature. But welcome here on my account. Don't forget to share.
Don't forget
like,
to subscribe, share,
comment, and to subscribe here.
Welcome back and welcome.
Yeah, what's up, guys? Wow, guys, this place look beautiful, look amazing. Make sure if you want to come here, you have something to do because here they have the different activities. When you want to do hiking here, there is a lot of routes here in this place. But welcome Tanzania, welcome Pugu Kazimzimbwe Forest Nature here in Tanzania. Make sure you have something to do when you want to come here in this place. Yeah, what's up? But it's not only that. If you want to observe silence, you are welcome here in this place. Me, I'm experienced to do that. But you too, welcome to be here. Among of one who want to observe silence or to do meditation. Welcome Tanzania, welcome Pugu, welcome Kazimzimbwe Forest Nature. That is amazing and beautiful place. Me, I'm enjoying to be here. But our country is blessing. As you can see, we have a lot of good environment, of good attractive areas here. But welcome Tanzania, our country is blessing. If you are on the other country, welcome Tanzania. But make sure you have something to do here in Tanzania. It is not only that. There is good something like that in Tanga. It's known as Magoroto Forest Nature, but they have a lot of places here. If you want to come Tanzania, you are welcome. Yeah, it is Kibona's World here. If you want to come Tanzania to enjoy a lot of good thing. If you want to enjoy your vacation, welcome Tanzania. this is a good and amazing country to the world. Karibu Tanzania, hakuna matata. Karibu Tanzania, karibu Pugu Forest Nature, karibu Mountain Kilimanjaro, karibu Ngorongoro National Park, karibu Serengeti National Park, and other national park here in our country. We have a lot of good and attractive areas here in our country. You are welcome to be among of people who enjoy and experience the good thing here, good areas here, and good places here in our country. Yeah, it is bonus here, but me, I'm enjoying to be here. Guys, the place is a beautiful place, as you can see. Wow. Yeah, I'm enjoying to be here. Welcome back on Mochubu account, but I'm enjoying to be here. Welcome Tanzania, welcome coastal region here in Tanzania. That is amazing place, as you can see. East Africa, Tanzania, coastal region. Nature forest in Tanzania. This site here, that is amazing and a beautiful place, as you can see. Wow. Forest Nature, but welcome here on Mochubu account. Don't forget to share,
Don't forget
like,
to subscribe,
comment,
share,
and to subscribe here.
Welcome back to welcome.
Yeah, what's up, guys?
Wah, simu inaita huko.
Jackson, unamwambiaje mtumishi kuhusu ile neno?
Of course, not bad place. It's called place, so
Ni video call.
ni video call. Mtumishi. Shalom.
Yeah, guys, let me show you here. I see the source of power in this camp. Electric power. Yeah, that is amazing and that is beautiful. Yeah, as you can see, wow. They have power here. When you want to charge the phone, or you want to put something like a speaker or music. Yeah. That is a big press and amazing press. As you can see here, they have tent here.